Hi friends, today in this video we will learn how to insert a new sheet in Excel and delete a sheet in Excel. Let us start. So here at bottom sheet 1 is already there. If we want to insert a new sheet, we will click on a plus icon shown right to the sheet 1. I will click on it. Sheet 3 is inserted. So next, if you want to add a more sheet, you can add in another way also. Like after sheet 1 I want to add a sheet. I will right click on it, a menu will open, and there the first option is there, insert. Click on it, then a dialog box will open, and in that select the worksheet and click on OK. A worksheet will be inserted. So now if you want to delete a sheet, for that, like sheet 3 I will make it active. Now sheet is active. I will right click on this, a dialog box will open, and then there is an option delete. Click on it, the sheet will get deleted. Hope you have liked this video. If liked it, please subscribe the channel, share the video to your friends, and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.